Pi Network is the latest and newest digital coin to grab the attention of the cryptocurrency community. Even before it is fully launched, a lot of users are seeing it as a chance to get started in a cryptocurrency from the beginning and benefit in the future. That is very much similar to how early Bitcoin purchasers made huge profits from mining and holding the coin. Others on the other side have compared Pi coin to a worthless multi-level marketing scheme. But the question is, what is the Pi Network and how it actually works and functions? Pi Network is the newest digital coin capture the cryptocurrency community's interest long before it is completely released. Some users have said that, when the coin launches on exchanges, it may reach a value close to that of Ethereum at $200 or possibly more. A lot of users also see it as a way to get involved in a cryptocurrency from the ground up and benefit in the future. In the same way that early Bitcoin adopters have racked huge gains from mining and holding the coin. Nonetheless, other people have likened Pi to a multi-level marketing scam that has no value at all. This video talks about the Pi Network's goals and how the Pi cryptocurrency price forecast is shaping up at the moment. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel. We are more than happy to welcome you to another video. Just before we go any further, we would like to inform you that today you can get up to $2,800 bonus on the exchanges Bybit and FedEx, and getting this money is really a piece of cake. All you need to do is click the links down in the description, sign up, and make your first deposit. You shouldn't miss this chance. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post a similar video. Let's start our video. So what actually is the Pi Network? Pi Network is a digital currency project that wants to keep crypto mining available, as the centralized nature of the first generation of currencies like Bitcoin has rendered them inaccessible to regular people. The Pi Network, created by a group of Stanford alumni, allows users to mine coins using a cell phone app while validating transactions on a distributed record. The number of Pi is used in the branding the project's first phase, distributed on Pi Day, March 14, 2019. The network held more than 100,000 active users by June 2019. And also over 3.5 million users by the time Phase 2 launched a year later. Pi coin is the cryptocurrency that runs on the Pi Network. And as with other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Pi was created and designed to undergo systematic and regular scarcity to protect its scarcity. Halving actually means the number of coins that a miner receives for processing new transactions are reduced by half. When a definitive milestone is reached, does Pi Network have a future? They have huge future plans for making this particular currency a top-notch and demand cryptocurrency. They're going to present a marketplace for letting people purchase products using their Pi coin. They are also going to let people buy a Pi coin for some expected price. And that might range and differ with the demand and supply. So in the near future, you're going to be able to purchase products using your Pi coins, or maybe even sell your Pi coins to someone else based on an expected price that is fixed by the demand and supply of the coins. Pi's mining rate was cut in half from 1.6 per hour when it reached 100,000 users, and halved once more to 0.4 per hour when it reached 1 million users. It was halved again to 0.2. When it reached 10 million, it will proceed to also halve when it reaches 1 billion users, dissimilar to nodes and networks such as Bitcoin and Ethereum that use proof-of-work protocols. Pi nodes use an algorithm that is based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol. SCP. Pi nodes authenticate and confirm transactions on a distributed ledger and reach a consensus on the order of new transactions. But the ledger record's security circles build a global trust network that put a stop to fraudulent transactions. Transactions can only be validated on the shared ledger only if the trusted nodes approve them. So if you are not sure how to buy a Pi coin for your portfolio, it is not yet possible. Those users who have mined the Pi cryptocurrency will only be able to withdraw or exchange their coins during the third phase of the project. That is when Pi moves to a completely decentralized blockchain. Pis can be transferred during the testing phase to prevent fake accounts from collecting and gathering coins. The crucial in the pilot development is in Phase 3. As we mentioned before, Phase 1 is done already. According to their official website, the Pi servers are operating as a faucet emulating behavior of decentralized systems as it will function once it's live. During the first phase, improvements in the user experience and behavior happened, and it was very easy to make compared to the stable phase of the main net. All minting of coins to users are migrated to the live net once it launches. In other words, the LiveNet will pre-mint in its Genesis block all account holder balances generated during Phase 1 and continue operating just like the current system, but fully decentralized. Pi is not listed on changes during this first and second phase, and it is impossible to buy Pi with any other currency for now. This is maybe something you already know about Pi network. At the moment, we are in the second phase. Before launching the main net, or before transferring into Phase 3. The node software is deployed on a test net. The test net is using the same exact trust graph as the main net, but on a testing Pi coin. So now the team of Pi is hosting nodes on the test net, and it is encouraging pioneers to start their own nodes. In fact, in order for any node to join the main net, they are advised to begin on the test net. So basically, none can skip any of the phases. The test net will run in parallel to the Pi emulator in Phase 1. And periodically for, let's say, daily, the results from the systems are compared to catch the gaps and misses of the test net, which will allow Pi developers to propose and implement fixes. This is one phase that is very crucial for development of a coin. After a thorough concurrent run of both systems, testnet will reach a state where its results consistently match the ones of the emulator. At that time, when the community feels it's ready, Pi will migrate to the next phase. This might seem too technical to you. But we see that the Pi network is transparent and they are sharing as much detail as possible with us. The next phase, the third phase, called mainnet, is crucial for you, the holders and the miners. This phase is where you are going to benefit from the mining and the holding. This phase is where your wallets are going to have any value. According to most of the crypto enthusiasts. This is the moment where you are going to be able to buy goods or services from Pi's peer-to-peer network or to exchange it for a fiat currency. According to their webpage, the community is the one that is going to have the influence in the decision of Phase 3. They say that when the community feels the software is ready for production and it has been thoroughly tested on the test net, the official main net of the Pi network will be launched. A very important moment that you should know is that in the transition into the main net, only accounts that are validated and the ones belonging to distinct real individuals will be honored. So this is a moment where the Pi network is rewarding the trust of the network because most of the network is based on trust. Once all of this is verified and the main net is done, the Faucet and Pi's network emulator of Phase 1 will be shut down and the system will continue on its own forever. There are going to be future updates, of course, and those are going to be done from the Pi developer community and the Pi's core team and will be proposed by the committee. Their implementation and deployment will depend on nodes updating the mining software just like any other blockchain. This coin will be fully decentralized, meaning that no central authority will be controlling the currency balances of fake users or duplicate users will be discarded. This is the phase when Pi can be connected to exchanges and can be exchanged for other currencies. Hopefully this was not too technical for you. But some details must be learned so you are aware of the technology and the idea, because the idea might be one of the best in the cryptocurrency world. Price-wise, the predictions have started. Like many other cryptocurrencies, the Pi coin probably will start relatively low in comparison to the US dollar. Some of the price forecasts have already said some prices. Digital Coin Price.com estimates that the coin will be in a price range of 0.17 in 2021. This is right after launch, and it will continue to grow to 0.212 next year, or until 2025. Their prediction by 2028 is $0.319. This might not be a very big price for a Pi coin, but having in mind that most of the coins, or to say better, all of the coins that you have mined so far are free. This is relatively good benefit for the miners. Most of the experts are saying that holding those mined Pi coins is even smarter than selling them right after Pi goes on the exchanges. That would be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching us, and please support our research by clicking subscribe and sharing this video. That as well is free. See you in the next one.